U.S. government lawyers argue the Chinese government could have influence on U.S. elections if TikTok continues to be allowed to be operated, by its parent
This woman makes more noises with her body than any other reporter I've ever heard.
If TikTok continues to be allowed to be operated, by its parent company, ByteDance. Tomorrow, tens of thousands of people will hit the streets of San Francisco for the San Francisco Marathon. As KTVU's Christian Catherine shows us, the event is a good boost for business in the city.